Welcome back to Review Mobile, your go-to source for the latest smartphone insights. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about releases of the year, the Nokia X400 Pro 2025. With bold claims of performance, durability, and smart design, this flagship aims to put Nokia back in the premium smartphone race. Let's break it all down. Design and display. The Nokia X400 Pro 2025 sports a sleek, industrial design with a matte glass finish and aerospace-grade aluminum frame. It's both elegant and robust. The 6.8-inch AMOLED display offers a crisp 2K resolution with a 144 Hz refresh rate, delivering stunning visuals and ultra-smooth scrolling. It's also protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3, making it highly resistant to drops and scratches. Performance and hardware. Under the hood, the X400 Pro packs the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, coupled with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB UFS 4.0 storage. This combination ensures lightning-fast performance, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing high-res content. Nokia also includes a custom vapor chamber cooling system to maintain peak performance even during intense use. Camera capabilities. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the triple-lens rear camera setup, led by a 200 megapixels main sensor with Zeiss optics. It supports 8K video recording, Super Night mode, and AI-enhanced scene detection. The 50 megapixels ultra-wide and 20 megapixels telephoto lenses complete the package, offering versatility for every shooting scenario. On the front, a 40 megapixels selfie camera ensures sharp, vibrant portraits. Battery life and charging. Powering the device is a massive 5,500 mAh battery, with support for 120W wired and 50W wireless fast charging. Nokia claims a full charge in under 25 minutes, and real-world usage backs it up. The X400 Pro also introduces Smart Charge AI, which optimizes battery health over time. Software and features. Running on Android 14 with Nokia's minimalistic overlay, the experience is clean, fluid, and bloat-free. You'll get 3 years of major Android updates and 5 years of security patches. The phone also supports an in-display fingerprint sensor, face unlock, 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, and IP68 water and dust resistance. Final thoughts. The Nokia X400 Pro 2025 is a bold statement from a brand looking to redefine its identity in the flagship market. With its powerhouse specs, premium build, and thoughtful features, it's more than just a comeback, it's a serious contender. Outro. Subscribe for more. That wraps up our deep dive into the Nokia X400 Pro 2025. What are your thoughts on Nokia's flagship reboot? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews here on Review Mobile. See you in the next one.